first application by the Senate that no social media post should have been made was in our favor, and there has been directions that that satirical apology should be taken down and an apology be posted in 2 national dailies. And a damages of 5 million naira was also awarded to be paid to court. And it was held to be civil contempt as opposed to criminal contempt. So that's why no custodial sentence was given. As for the substantive judgment, we will still need to read the full text of the judgment. But it seems the court affirmed that the Senate as an institution has the right to discipline its members. And though members are elected to represent constituencies, they have to behave themselves in line with the Senate standing rules. And the court only gave an opinion, an obiter dictum, what we call an obiter dictum, that the Senate should consider recalling her back. Although the reliefs are not stated, there's no question asking for suspension to be lifted because it occurred prior to the suspension. So it was more or less an obiter that she was of the view, my lord was of the view, that the suspension was excessive. So we will consult with our clients, we'll read the judgment and we'll get back to you.
The court held that it amounts to civil contempt and that the plaintiff is ordered to pay a fine of 5 million naira, to issue an apology to the court, and to have the said apology also published on the same medium within which the publication that offended the court was done. So basically, she was found guilty or liable of to pay a fine in the sum of 5 million naira, and she has been ordered to render a public apology. That is his submission for the issue of contempt.
Ogabi.